So we're going to create a gradient border animation in Elementor. So first of all, I can take a container and add another div container, and let's make the section main container with like 500 pixels. And now let's select this inner container and go to Advanced tab and Custom CSS. So first of all, we can define property and angle, and syntax should be angle tag. Okay, and the initial value should be 0. If you not understand the CSS code, you can just copy and paste as I did, and then you can change the colors as you want. It should be false. Okay. Now we're going to add a class name. Let's call spin gradient border, and copy the class name. Let's go to the CSS editor and just make it bit bigger, and add the CSS class name here of this container. And let's add some CSS here, like position should be relative, and then let's add a background color like dark color, and then let's set a border radius should be 15 pixel. Workflow must be hidden because we will add a after CSS after and it will not overlap the main section. And let's make the jet index on and padding like 10 pixel, because we can show this border like 10 pixel border, so that's why I can set fading here. And let's copy the class again and make after, and the content should be empty position absolute, and then insert 0. That's mean it will cover to the entire container. Let's add background image. Now we can add the gradient color here. Gradient, and then fast bracket. So now you can define the variable we used here, and then let's copy it and paste it here, and then we can define some colors. Also okay, the background color set it here, and let's give some value like 3 pixel. Border radius 12 It's, now we can make mask with this section. Linear gradient should be white color. Zero should be content box. And then again you can just copy this and paste it. Okay, now make the z index should be -1 and the animation it will be 3 seconds. Linear and gradient. Okay, now we can set a before effect also. Let's just copy this after code and paste before. This code will be same. We can just update the color. Yeah, we can keep the color like this. Okay, we can keep as it is. Don't need to change this. And now we can add keyframe. Spin. From angle 0° and 2. Angle should be 360°. Okay, there's a mistake. I was put this name angle mistakenly, so just correct this and also added 3 property here. Position top left 0 and height it should be 100%. And here we can also fix the name here and here also and here. So now the background animations are working smoothly, and if I can drag a new container here and just update the color, like I can set the color as I need, like a dark type color, and let's reduce the padding from here also. But let's make it 5 pixel and also add a border radius here around 15 pixel, and now see the animation are working perfectly. So if I can add text here and then paragraph buttons and everything I can add here, and then I can customize as I need. Sorry. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and if you like, please subscribe my channel and leave a comment below. So thank you so much. We'll share the more valuable tutorials in the next time.